Well, we've been talking a lot about the sell-off of crypto, but it's certainly still piquing the interest of investors despite the massive rout we've seen in the space. A new survey from Bank of America Global Research suggesting Americans are still looking to buy crypto in the next 6 months. Let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Alexandra Semenova. When was this survey done is my question, and how much of this was before the recent sell-off that we saw?
Well, this was conducted in June, so it's fairly new. I mean, it was conducted before this recent acceleration in the downturn that we've seen. But it's interesting, despite the meltdown, the majority of people are still crypto curious and intend to invest in digital assets. 91% of people in the survey said that they would allocate to crypto in the next 6 months. And I do want to point out an interesting component of the report. You know, anecdotally, we hear all these stories about retail investors allocating and losing tremendous amounts of money in crypto, and that does happen, but the majority of respondents here said that it represents less than 10% of their investment portfolios, and the average transaction size was about $25.
Wow.
And also the survey found that PayPal and Coinbase were the most widely used exchanges, and Coinbase was the favorite.
Yeah, $25, not too much, so understandably not huge. It's not like people putting all their money into crypto, but I wanted to ask, I mean, right now, we're seeing Bitcoin falling, every other digital asset falling in price right now. Do a lot of people in the crypto world want to catch a falling knife here? Why do you think that there's still so much of an overwhelming interest in crypto despite the massive headlines that we've seen around the sell-off?
Well, the number one reason here that people reported is that they expect the price to go back up. So there's still very much this buy the dip mentality on it. You know, this crypto is here to stay. There's a lot of money in it. A lot of institutional investors are still getting in on it. So they see that as room for, upside in the space. And then another reason was portfolio diversification. And the third reason was that people feel like they, want to belong to a community. So there's a sense of FOMO there too, where people feel like this is a space that, they're a part of. And they have these discussions on forums and think Wall Street bets here,
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if the community is so happy today.
I saw, interestingly, too, a lot of people still in Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, apparently.
Well,
right?
I was going to ask you that.
It's not just Bitcoin.
Are we talking about the largest cryptocurrencies? I mean, Dogecoin.
Well,
Dogecoin is one of those.
In the survey specifically, Bitcoin and Ethereum were obviously the most popular, but people did report still allocating to Dogecoin and Shiba Coin and a lot of these meme coins as well.
$25. That's,
it's play money.
Yeah.
For some people, yeah.
That made me feel a little better. If just, you've heard these stories.
I'll just get one
people.
Chipotle bowl instead.
Yeah,
with delivery.
I think I might be with you. Coming up on the other side. Oh, thanks so much, Alexandra. I didn't even thank you.